Have you ever stopped to think about why some people are building wealth while others are struggling to pay their bills? The difference between these two groups isn't just in how they make money, but in how they make their money work for them. What if I told you that you can do the same? That, just like these people, you can start investing in a simple and safe way and completely transform your financial life? I know that for many, the idea of investing can be scary. The fear of losing money, lack of knowledge, and the feeling that investing is something for the rich are barriers that keep most people from taking part. But here's the secret: investing doesn't have to be complicated, and you don't need to be an expert to start building a solid financial future. If you think it's too late to start, I'm going to show you that the sooner you start, the sooner your money will begin to grow. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to invest in a simple and safe way, even if you don't have much financial knowledge. You don't need to be an expert, you just need to understand the basic concepts and have discipline. I'm going to guide you step by step so you know exactly where to start and how to turn small investments into a journey toward financial freedom. So, if you're ready to begin, stay with me until the end. You will walk away knowing exactly what to do to make your money grow. Most people don't invest, and this happens because of a combination of factors. First, there's the fear of losing money. Many people believe that investing is something risky, almost like gambling, where there are no guarantees of returns. This fear is fueled by the idea that when you invest, you could lose everything, which is a legitimate concern, but it doesn't have to be a reality for those who start with knowledge and care. Another big obstacle is information overload. In the world of investing, it's easy to get lost in an avalanche of complex terms like stocks, real estate funds, dividends, and risks. This can create a block because many people simply don't know where to start or can't understand what makes sense for their situation. The complexity of the subject scares people, and the feeling of not knowing enough leads to paralysis. Finally, there's the mistaken idea that you need to be rich to start investing. Most people think that you need a large amount of money to take the first step, which prevents them from trying. The truth is, you can start investing with small amounts like $50 or $100 and gradually increase your investments over time. Not starting to invest, out of fear or lack of knowledge, causes many people to miss the opportunity to make their money work for them. Now, let's talk about how to start investing in a simple and safe way. The first step is to create an emergency fund. Before thinking about investing, it's crucial to have a safety net to cover unexpected events, like medical expenses or job loss. This fund should be accessible and safe, so it's recommended to keep it in a high-yield savings account or a money market account. Having this solid base will ensure you don't have to sell your investments in times of emergency and will give you peace of mind to start investing more safely. The second step is to understand the different types of investments. You'll find two main categories: fixed income investments and stocks. Fixed income investments, like bonds and certificates of deposit, CDs, offer more predictable and less risky returns. Stocks and real estate funds, REITs, on the other hand, have a higher growth potential but come with greater risk. The key here is to understand your risk profile and choose investments that align with your financial goals. You don't need to be an expert to start diversifying simply using index funds, ETFs, or mutual funds, which provide an easy way to access different markets. Finally, the third step is to start small, but start. Many people think they need a large sum of money to invest, but the truth is, you can start with small amounts like $50 or $100 per month. Over time, the magic of compound interest will start to work in your favor, making your money grow more rapidly. The important thing is consistency. The earlier you start, the greater the impact over time. Remember, it's not about how much you invest, but about starting and maintaining the habit of investing regularly. Investing is not just about making your money grow, it's about achieving financial freedom. When you start investing, you begin to create passive income, which means that, over time, your money starts to work for you without the need to actively exchange hours for salary. With smart investments, you can reduce your dependence on your job and open doors for new projects and opportunities. You start building a solid foundation that can support your financial future without having to wait until retirement. The impact of investing goes beyond immediate financial growth. It also transforms the way you think about money. By investing, you begin to see money differently, not just as something you earn and spend, but as a tool that, if used correctly, can create new possibilities and open doors to achieving your dreams. You become more mindful of how to manage your resources and start understanding the value of being patient and disciplined, allowing your money to grow over time. Additionally, the real power of investing is seen in the long term. Imagine looking back in 5, 10, or 20 years and seeing how your investment decisions were crucial in building your wealth. While the start of the process might seem slow and even challenging, over time, the results become clear. By making consistent investments, you're planting seeds that will bear fruit in the future, whether that's achieving financial independence, realizing travel dreams, or simply ensuring a peaceful retirement. Investing today is securing a better tomorrow. Now that you've learned the basics of how to start investing simply and safely, what will you do with this information? The first step has been taken, and there are no more excuses. The secret to financial success is starting, even if it's with a small amount. Each month you invest, you're getting closer to reaching your financial goals and achieving the freedom that many only dream of. So, don't wait any longer, start now. If you found this video useful and are ready to take the next step, I invite you to subscribe to the channel. Here, you'll find more practical tips on how to make your money work for you, how to avoid financial traps, and how to invest intelligently, even with little initial knowledge. Also, feel free to leave a comment below and tell me, what is your biggest question or difficulty when it comes to investing? I'd love to hear from you and help you overcome any obstacles. Finally, don't forget that the best time to start investing was yesterday, and the second best time is today. So, do your part now and take the first step toward the financial future you deserve. And if you need more content on finance and investing, be sure to check out my other videos. Together, let's build your path to prosperity.